ulokala.
Jan, unusak ko Johnny.
Kanuipi.
Kanang ibili.
Kanugalangi. Hey, ay nga tungo si Takuginai kunot.
Ulo may pingwa. Ilunganin na ito ko tako. Soko si kulo ilinasin lagi. Ayaw tilugo. Tabani ito tao mata. Tako. Astalaw tilugo. Tako na tabot.
Ay, amat takabot kulit tilugit tao.
Amaluto. Kau isa tilugo. Tako na mayabo. Johnny. Kupa ko siya kaya kinangalalo.
Halo, Nati. Takuginai kuno, Johnny Uyunga.
Amma bang ulo akala.
Tabanito ko siya pingwak bengani. Hanap pula reaksi mo yugo, tungkol sabi nga piyo yugo.
Uko ang ilin natin lagi. Tapani ito daw suko si ayaw tilugo.
Halo, natabani pingwak to so ahay na
Uko takon na kinam na ratigo asalaw tilugi. Suko si kulay takon na kinalalabo.
Ahay la,
Asalaw tilugi.
Ati.
How's your kind of face? Nice.
Good.
Yes?
I went on holidays, so guys just
We are here at the Daycamp at Pingwak Daycamp in Ikhalui. Hi, what's your name?
My name's Kale.
Hi, Kale. How old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
Hi. What have you learned from this summer camp?
We learned to make bouncy balls. I was only here for the second day, so this is my first day. And for so long we learned bouncy balls.
Oh, wow. Did you enjoy the summer camp?
Yeah, it's really fun.
Would you like to say hi to your friends or family on TV?
Yeah, hi Mom, hi Dad.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for coming.
My name is Johnny. What's your name?
Kinda.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
And can I ask you how old you are?
9.
Oh, wow. Okay, so have you had fun in here?
Yes.
Okay, so can you tell me what kind of experiments you have done in here?
We've extracted strawberry DNA, we made oogalic, and we made bouncy balls.
Okay, wow. So, is it hard to make these things?
Sometimes.
Is it hard to make these things?
No.
No, okay, wow, okay. Okay, so have you made friends in here too? Mm-hmm. Wow, that's good. Okay, yeah, thank you very much for for the question. And do you want to say hi to any of your family?
Mm-hmm. Hi Nana, hi Tata.
Okay, wow, thank you very much. Okay, thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Angay, ulwakalaw yung
Ubang Johnny.
Kinaw ka pili?
Iva magpayo nga.
Aha, nasabon ni, ang inyong kangobi. Ang sabon ni sukat na kabi.
Tapa ni summer camp counselor yung nga.
Kisa lang kakatak kasi tapa niya.
Tapa ni pilakot kayak tugo science stuffs ni.
Aswapi. Kuha na kulik yan.
Kuwena kay.
Aha, aswapi.
Kisa lang simalak kasi Tabani.
So far we got strawberry DNA. We made bouncing balls and oblique. Oblique.
Why, Aliana, Kuviana, Kahila, Kuviana, Unakto. Kahila,
Tabba buti ako mabiki na dyan na mo. Ilan, no?
Kitulog tahayak pagka. Oblak at saka
Namina kumi at chumikuya pagod. My name is Johnny. What's your name?
Hi, Johnny. I'm William.
Hi, William. Okay, so, how old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
Wow. I don't even know how old I am. I must be the oldest living in Takuginai. I don't know. Okay, so what do you do over here?
So here we do science experiments.
Wow. So you do a lot of experiments in here?
Yep.
Wow. So what kind of experiments have you done?
So today I've made a bouncy ball.
Wow. A basketball? Wow, can you show me? Can you show me what you made?
Yep. Let me get it. Here. It's not really.
Wow.
You can change the shape of it.
What you can shape it?
Yep.
Wow.
You can shape it into a ball, or you can just
Yeah.
make it flat.
Okay, so what kind of material is that?
It's a mixture of
Hmm?
glue,
Of what? Glue?
water, and cornstarch.
Oh, wow. Wow, that must be fun to make.
Yep.
Oh yeah. Okay. So how long are you going to be here for, in the summer camp?
For this week, and then I'm gonna go to a different summer camp.
Okay. Wow. It must be fun in here. Oh yeah, it must be fun doing all these experiments in here, hey?
Yep.
Wow. Okay. Okay. So I don't have much to say, but do you want to say hi to any of your family?
Yes.
Okay.
Anan Shaq. I hope you're watching this.
Okay. Yeah, I hope so too. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi, what's your name?
Liam,
Liam. How old are you?
11.
11. Wow. What do you like about this summer camp?
That we learn something new every day.
Oh, wow. What have you learned so far?
We learn
William, can I see the dice you made?
how to make oobleck and bouncy balls.
Oh, wow. What's your favorite thing about summer?
No school.
No school. That sounds fun. What's your favorite sport?
Basketball.
Oh, that sounds fun. Do you want to say hi to your friends and family?
Okay. Hi, Nana. Hi, Tata.
Thank you. Hi, what's your name?
Gabriel,
Gabriel. How old are you?
11.
11. Wow. What do you like most about this day camp?
Having fun and learning.
Oh, wow. What have you learned so far?
Oh, lots of stuff. We just made bouncy balls, and that was super fun. We also put some plants in some colored water, and we're seeing if they'll color themselves.
Oh, wow. That sounds cool. Would you like to say hi to your friends and family?
Yeah. I like to say hi to my mom and dad. Hello.
What's your favorite thing about summer?
Having fun with my friends.
Oh, cool. Thank you for this interview.
Thank you.
Hi, what's your name?
Paris,
Paris. How old are you?
11.
11. What do you like most about this summer camp?
Having our break in time to go play out to have a break.
Oh, what kind of activities have you guys been doing?
We made bouncy balls, got strawberry DNA, made, I forgot what they're called. Was it, I forgot.
What's your favorite thing about summer?
Playing out and going to these awesome camps.
Thank you for doing this interview.
You're welcome.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Hi, what's your name?
My name's Barry.
Who?
Barry.
Okay. And how old are you?
10.
Oh yeah, okay. So what is this place called?
Bingwak Camp.
Huh?
Bingwak Camp.
Okay, Pingwak Camp. So what do you do? So you have fun in here too?
Yeah.
Okay, so can you tell me what you do in here and what else do you do in here?
We learn how to do some different activities, and different days we have different.
Oh yeah,
Stuff
okay.
to
So what
do.
kind of activities have you done?
We've got strawberry DNA. We've made
Okay.
bouncy balls.
Wow.
That's and we've
Mhm.
tried to make flowers different
Wow.
colors.
That must be fun.
Yeah, it was.
Okay, wow. Hey. And how long are you going to be in this camp?
Just for 1 week because I'm going on holidays, and just for 1 week because I'm going on holidays in
Okay,
August.
wow. Okay, so have you made a lot of friends here too?
Yeah, it's
Wow. Okay, that must be fun. Thank you. Hi, how are you? What's your name?
My name's Charlotte.
Oh yeah? And how old are you?
I'm 10.
Okay. And what have you learned in your acting work?
So
Have you learned a lot of things?
I've learned how to code games. I've learned how to create pixel art. Now I've been in summer camp 2 times now.
Okay. Wow. Okay, so have you had fun in here?
Yeah, I have so fun. I really like science.
Oh yeah. And have you made a lot of friends in here too?
Yeah, but not too many. I know a few friends from my other camps in school.
Okay. Wow, thank you. Thank you.
Hi, what's your name?
I'm Maple.
Maple. Oh, that's a beautiful name.
Oh, thank you.
Are you an instructor here?
I am. I am one of the counselors.
What have you learned from this summer camp?
Well, today we learned how to make bouncy balls. I learned how to be better at Minecraft. I learned how to be patient with the kids. Doing lots of learning.
Oh, do you like this summer camp?
It's a great summer camp. I love it.
What do you like most about summer?
I like working here, and I like that it's nicer outside. I don't like bugs, but I like it being nicer outside.
Would you like to say hi to your friends and family?
Hello to whoever's watching, hopefully friends.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, Takuginai, hanoi pisi. Soko se apuyo si. Asiwakat takisi. Ahayla. At dilok taulok sumabisi. Ahayla. At dilok tunito si ilitsi. Umoyok tambiningin ni ahayla tabba at talok ahayla tuwakti sigunak si ahayla takunay kuno takutoy sigayak tugot. Hanoklo tabba tuwakti mo. info@inuitbroadcasting.ca tabunga tuwakti tabunga kasaw yakko ahayla tuwakti tuwakti takutsaw yak tusi at kahuwega yak tugot Takuginai at dilok tuwat takitsitok tabaw si
Hey, titrakattakitsingai Takuginai mo. P.O. Box 700, Iqaluit, Nunavut, X0A0H0.
오빠로님 가가서 약국 진짜가 갔다 올시 오붕아 Takuginai at inuitbroadcasting.ca